Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your Google account and Google Lens. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to do so, all you need to do is simply tap open your Google web search browser. So once you have opened it, all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon, which is located on the right hand side of the corner. So once you have opened it, tap on the manage your Google account, and from there simply tap on the security option. So once you're in the security page, you need to scroll down below and find the third-party app and services. So once you have tapped on see all connections, you need to simply remove the Google Lens option from this account, and after you have done this, you need to go back to your home screen, tap on your profile once again, tap on the drop down menu bar and tap on add another account. After doing so, you need to type in the name of the account holder, and you need to type in the email address or phone number of that particular account holder and hit the next button, and then you need to fill in the password of that particular account. So once you are done typing in both the credentials like your email address or phone number and your password of your account, you're all set to hit the next button and follow the on-screen prompts to add the new account as per your preference and choice. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.